guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're trying a new subscription box, one that I've never tried before. They claim to have 5 to 6 full-size products in there, and I'm really excited to try them out and see how the box is itself. It's the American Influencer Beauty Bundle Box. I'm just really excited. So we're going to review this baby, get all into it. We're going to be doing a try on as well, so anything that I get in here we'll be putting on the face. I haven't looked in here, so I don't know what's in here just yet. That's why I have no makeup on, but it's gonna be really fun. If you've tried this box, comment below and tell me what your thoughts are, what you think. If you're new, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload Wednesdays and Fridays. Hit the like if you're excited, just like I am, and curious. If you're curious, hit the like. So this is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. This box is $34 bi-monthly. The boxes get sent out bi-monthly for $34. There's 5 to 6 full-size products. I'll put the link of the website down below. I'll also put a coupon code. They were sweet enough to send a coupon code for 10% off if you use the coupon code Sharon Bond, which is my name, if you didn't know. So if you're going to try it out, use that coupon code so you can get a % off. It's not an affiliate link or affiliate code. I don't get anything. It's just for you guys. It's just my gift to you. So, I mean, we'll see together how it's going to be. So it's a bi-monthly box. You can cancel anytime. Basically, the difference between this box and something like BoxyCharm is that they send you 5 or 6 products from the same brand. So they feature a brand, one brand, instead of 5 or 6 different brands. So they've had Guy Tang. They've featured Guy Tang products before. This month, it's going to be, what is it this month? Let's open it and see. Okay, this month they're featuring Mana Kadar Beauty. That's what they're featuring this month. So it's 5 or 6 products from her line, from her makeup line or beauty line. So every single box they feature one certain brand, which I think that's pretty cool. I like that because then you can try out multiple things from a brand. So that's really cool. So let's open it up. Let's bring you guys in really close. Let's see what's in here and let's start putting stuff on because I know you guys are just as curious as I am. So this is kind of what the card looks like, and this is what the box looks like inside. So let's just get on started into it. I'm really excited, and I probably should put my foundation on. Should have put on my foundation on first, but I wasn't sure if there was going to be a primer, which looks like there's not. So the first thing in here is the Hydration Happy Face Mist. It retails for $19. It says, skin-loving ingredients derived from seawater. Hydrating formula helps soothe and calm skin. Light formula provides hydration before or after makeup application. So I guess I'll put this on first and then I'll go in with like a primer and see. Oh. Okay, I'm spraying it the wrong way. I sprayed it on my mirror. Oh. Ooh, that smells really delicious. So there's 12 minerals from the Dead Sea that isn't found in any other sea that's put in here to strengthen, soothe, and cleanse and revitalize your skin is what this says. So very, very, very interesting. Okay, so now that I've done my whole foundation, my concealer, I set my under eye concealer. Now we can go in with the HD finishing powder. And like I said before, I'll repeat it again just in case you didn't hear. These are all from Mana Kadar Beauty. Ooh, it came broken. I can hear it already. It's broken in there. That's too bad. How is that possible? Look at this, you guys. Oh, yep, it's completely shattered in there. Absolutely, completely shattered. I'm gonna try to use it regardless of this mess. Did a pretty good job of blurring. Finishing powder is supposed to blur your face and really finish off your makeup and make you look just so perfected. Ooh, I like it. It's not drying. It doesn't have, sometimes you can get glitter in finishing powder because they think it's a good idea to give you like a glow with shimmer or glitter. This one doesn't have that. It really did finish off and blur my makeup really nicely because I do have pores here, and it did a really good job of just making everything look really nice. I'm really bummed because that would have been a nice powder. I'm really bummed that it came broken. Anyways, let's move on. Next, and that powder retailed for $29. It's create a matte silky smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Longwear universal powder for all skin tones, keeps makeup put all day long. So next is the Longwear Powder Split Pan Duo. It's a multi-purpose, time-saving compact. Can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlight, and shadow. Features 2 textures, matte and pearlized, that glide on smooth for an easy application and a glowy finish. So it's a blush and bronzer duo that you can use as eyeshadow. So I guess we'll do that. Why not? In the shade Uptown. All right, this is a little dark. So it comes with a mirror, and these are the 2 colors. That seems like that bronzer is going to be a little dark, but we'll see how it goes. So let's just put it on. How is that going to be a highlight is my question. Like, how can I use that as a highlight? I don't know, but and honestly, if a brand is a little bit, has like this going on, that could just be the brand, not necessarily the box, because they just received product and put it in there. So it could have just, that thing, powder could have just came broken and they didn't know, because you don't know. I mean, how are you supposed to know? It has like a golden glow, but it's really nice and smooth. Like, I really like it. I probably went a little bit ham with that, but it's okay. I really like it. I like it. I like the cut. I wasn't sure because in the pan it kind of looks pinky, but it's not. It's like a beautiful, I'll swatch both of these for you. So can you see that? It's really, really beautiful. I really love how it looks on my skin. I think it's good. Wow. I'm really picky about my bronzers, hence why I only use the Too Faced Sweet Cheeks bronzer ever. Okay, so let's go with blush, and then I'll probably put that bronzer on my eyes. Whoa, that's pigmented. Okay, be aware that that's pigmented. Okay, putting some of that on my eyes. Wow, that's pretty. It's pretty though. I actually like this duo. It's pretty. I really like it. I like that look. Yeah, and all of that on top of the powder just looks smooth. Like, I don't even need to set my makeup. It just looks really smooth and really nice. Okay, so in here also came a lash serum. It's the Luxe Lash Serum. This one retails for $29. It's daily use for a fuller set, non-irritating blend of proteins and peptides. I'm not going to put this on right now, but I will use this tonight. But it's cool. I do like lash serums. I think it's great to put on. I think they do work. They help grow back your lashes a lot fuller, a lot better. Okay, the last two things is I'm going to put on a highlight real quick because there's not really a highlight. And I'm going to use my Anastasia Amrezy highlight. You guys know, if this ever comes back, everyone needs to get this highlight. Everybody. Everyone in the whole world. It is the best highlight in the whole world. No doubt about it. If I could only have one highlight, it'd be this one. Nothing compares to the color that this one is. It's just so beautiful. Okay. Before I put on the mascara, I'm going to use this facial spray and set my entire makeup because, yeah, if I use the mascara, it might just run. So, I love how it smells. It smells so good. Oh. You know how when you put on the Bum Bum cream, you know what I'm talking about? The little Bum Bum cream, how everyone says it smells so good. Everyone loves it. This smells so good. It's like enjoyable to put on. And the mist is pretty like fine and like nice. I like the mist too. So this is a really good spray. I am going to now put on the mascara. It's the Turn It Up Volumizing Mascara. Won't weigh lashes down and lashes appear fuller. And they have a whole before and after. So that's what it looks like. And this one retails for $29. So I curled my lashes. Let's put this on. Okay, I did not expect a humongous brush like this. Can you see that? That is humongous. Is this a fiber mascara? Creamy Longwear mascara that won't dry out your lashes or cause flakes. Is this a fiber mascara? Because I see a bunch of little fibers in there. I'm pretty sure that this is a fiber mascara. I don't know why I didn't say that. Alright, let's do it. Wow. I like it. Can you guys see that? Okay, can you see my lashes now? I like it. Okay, so I just curled these lashes again and look how like long they look. See? I really like it. I think it's a nice mascara. And I did put on like 4 coats, you guys. You don't have to put this much on. Okay, so the last thing in the box is the Lip Locking Priming Gloss Stain. Built-in primer for long wear and smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and stain. Infuses with nourishing vitamin A and E and berry extract. And this retails for $24. So let's check this out. So it's a lip gloss and a stain. And I have the shade Sienna. So it looks like this. Ooh, I like this color. It feels really, really thin. Has a little bit of a gloss. I really like this. It's nice. Wow, I'm impressed. I feel like this whole situation looks really nice. Looks really good. Wow, I'm totally digging the mascara. Totally digging it. And I'm so picky about my mascaras, but it looks so good. Just this whole look looks so good. I'm so bummed that my powder came broken. But yeah, this is the look. What do you guys think? Comment below. Okay guys, so all in all, I really liked this box. I liked it because it was one brand that you get to try. I like that they were all full-size products because I don't like buying a subscription service, buying a box to get a bunch of sample products. I don't like that. So I love that they did that. And I feel like they were really good about thinking about what they're putting in their box from each brand. So for example, the blush coordinated really well with the lip gloss. I've had boxes from different subscription services that they have like a hot pink and like a mauve blush. So I like that they were conscious about what they put in their box, and I feel like this is a perfect bronzer and duo for me. And I feel like that they maybe did that because of like the quiz and like my medium skin, light medium skin. So I actually really do love it. I was bummed about the powder because it's so freaking good. I love how it made my skin look, but it was broken, so that's a bummer because I was really excited about that. But all in all, you guys, I really love the box. Again, it's only $34 for 5 or 6 full-size products that all come together to equal, let's do the math right now. The whole box came out to $154. You got it for $34. I have a coupon code, Sharon Bond, for 10% off. I'll put the link below. I think it's awesome, and you can always try it one time and then you can cancel anytime. So it's kind of cool. I really like it. I think it's a really good box. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. I hope you guys really like the try on the review. If there's a box that you have been looking at and you kind of want me to try, you can comment that below as well. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.